Hey, hey, hey! Ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here. You might want to come on this live and invite your friends, invite your mama, invite your daddy, invite your sister, invite your brother, invite your dog. If you got a dog, invite your dog, right? Invite your dog. Get them on this live, and I mean right now. Hey, Tracy, how you doing? Get your dog, get your mama, get your daddy, get your baby daddy, get your grandmama, get your cousins, get everybody on this live right now, ladies and gentlemen. Right now. Like and share this video. You're not going to believe what just went down. All right, for the next 24 hours and only the next 24 hours, the do-it-yourself smart credit repair system is $19.99. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Like and share this video. Get your friends on. I'm going to show you guys what you're about to get for $20. It's Saturday night. You're probably finna go hang out and buy you some Ciroc, some cigars, and smoke and go party. But before you do, you got to get your credit together, because we don't want Credit Karma and Experian emailing you on Monday saying, oh, that credit score done drop. Oh, that credit score done drop. So get your people on. Get your people on. I'm about to show you guys what you are going to get for the $20. Get them on. Get on. Hi, Danny. Get on. Like and share this video. I'm about to show you in 1 second what you get. Get your people on. Get your people on. Hi, Faith. How you doing? Yes, indeed. Get your people on. Like and share. Let me show you what you get, guys. Let me show you what you get. Let me turn this around. All right. So for $20, you're going to get this right here. Yes. Get excited. Then you get the Module 5. Hello, Minister Dan Torbird. You're going to get how to remove negative payment history. We get the credit dispute letters here. You get dispute letter 1. It's already done for you. It's like you got an attorney in your back office. Yes. Get it notarized here. You got, and then you got the whole little thing. You got the dispute letter 2. You got dispute letter, boom, 3. You got dispute letter, boom, 4. Yes. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Like and share this. Like and share this. And so you got the how to remove IRS tax liens, how to remove medical collections. You got your debt validation letter. You got your goodwill letter right here. Yes. You got your pay for delete letter. Yes. Pay for delete, module right here. You got your pay for delete letter. We equip you guys. We equip you. And then right now it's $20. Hello, Glenise. $20 credit repair right here. Let's see. If you guys know anybody that needs that credit repair, I need you to get them on this live. Let's see what's in module 6. Credit utilization. All right. Reduce your credit card debt, income shifting. Shows you how to reduce your credit card debt. Let's see what's in module 7. How to increase your length of credit. Okay. How to add trade lines to your credit report. How to build credit paying your rent. The minimum age for authorized user. All right, guys. So you get a lot for $20. Get a lot. Soft inquiries. I need to do a video about that. I think that's let me write that down. I want to do a video on soft inquiries versus hard inquiries. I need to do a video on that. Yeah. How to remove unauthorized inquiries. Okay, so if you know somebody got some hard inquiries on their credit report and they need to get them removed, here is the letter to get those stinky, nasty, horrible, oh my God, they suck. Get those inquiries removed off that credit report. Because I'm telling you, man, them inquiries have that credit report down, 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 down. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Module 9. Credit mixture. Hi, Jennifer. Share this video, Jennifer. You share it. Share it, share it, share it. Credit mixture. Let's see what's in module 10. How to check your disputes. Yes, you can, ma'am. Yes, you can. So if you send a letter off and they don't respond, here goes a 30-day no response letter. What to do when disputes are not removed. So if you sending letters off and they're not removed, here you go. Method of verification. That's in module 10. So the method of verification addendum. Boom. So, you know, if you got some stuff on there that they're not taking off, this the next letter you got to send right here. Jennifer, you asked about hard inquiries. I think it's in module 7. Let me see. Let me see. I just was on it. Right here. Remove unauthorized inquiries, Jennifer. Right here. Can you dispute hard inquiries? Yes. The letter is right here. You send this letter to the creditor. Hi, Brian. So, Jennifer, this is the one you want to send to, all right? And, Jennifer, this is module 8B. This is module 8B. And let's see what's in module 10. That's how to check the disputes. Let's see. Then we can have income shifting back here. How to correct your W-4. We got the minimize expense tool. Hey, Crystal. How to use the eliminate debt tool. Investment calculator. So yeah, this is pretty cool for 20 bucks, y'all. You get, this is the credit system. The credit system. So, but I always recommend that you always start at module 1. Do not skip. People just want to skip to module 5 and get those dispute letters and all of that. But you can't do that. You need to start at module 1. Okay, when you start at module 1, it walks you through it. All right. And the most important thing is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay, the Fair Credit Reporting Act right here. So these are the rights that you have. And most of the time, you don't know your rights. So when you don't know your rights, you get played. Right, Crystal? Right? So this is something that you need to know. If you any questions you got to have about what these thinking creditors are doing to you, you can look right here in the office and see what your rights are, and you can get them in their crap that they're trying to pull. Now, they will try to get you. They will try to say, no, you need to pay this. No, this staying on your credit report. You can say, boo-boo kitty, I know my rights. You can go straight to it in this module. And this is in module 1. You can look up any right that you want. So they cannot play you. Don't let these creditors play you, okay? Don't let them play you. Then you got the fair debt collecting practices, right? So it's a difference point between the Fair Credit Act. Now, when they sell your debt, you got rights too. So these are two different rights, right? These are two different rights. Now, this one is when the debt collector is calling you, when they sending you letters talking about they're going to send you to court and stuff. No, sir. No, ma'am. No, sir. No, ma'am. Because you have rights against the debt collectors too. So you need to know your rights. When you know these rights, don't play with these debt collectors. Don't let them play you. Don't give them one dime. Just because they bought your debt, now they want to make you pay for something that the creditors and already wrote off. You better know your rights. You better know your rights. All right? You better know your rights. So it's going to teach you how the credit scoring works out. So you got the brochure right here. So it's a lot of stuff back here. You're going to get all this for $19.99. And it's just for today. Just for today. Today only. This module 1. So don't skip. Don't skip. Module 2. Now, when people get this stuff, they like to skip, but don't do it, okay? Get your credit report for free. Most people pay for their monitoring service. You don't have to with this service. You can get it right here. So we show you how to do that without having to pay for it. So, yeah, y'all, don't play with your credit. Don't put your credit in the hands of these fake specialists when you can do it yourself for $19.99. All right, guys. So, hey, I just showed you today only $19.99. You're going to get all of this. So if you want to play around with these specialists and sit around and wait for them to, you know, play this waiting game with you with your credit, you're going to be out of luck, okay? So $20, $19.99. Get in my inbox or go to www.diysmartcredit.com. Grab the $19.99 service. Then you can either give me a call, okay? Give me a call or inbox me, and I can get you started with how to log in and how to access your system. And then, hey, you might want to share it with somebody too and help your friends, okay? And then they can sign up under you and you can help them become the best version of themselves as well. All right, guys? So you deserve to win. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye now.